So how does someone find you today? Search engines. Billions of searches are made every single day, especially now after COVID-19. More and more people are online, and you may have even used one of these tools on your own. Google search, Bing, Yahoo, all these are different kinds of search engines, and you may have looked for different kinds of products or services, including books, movies, concert tickets, recipes, DIY, everything to do on your own. But it's not just that, it's also videos, job postings, live streams, and also maybe local business listings. You may be looking for a place to go, a new destination. So people use search engines all the time, and more people are going to their smartphones to use those kinds of search engines. So why does this matter to your business? Because if you're trying to get found and you're trying to increase the local visibility of your business online, you've got to be doubling down on digital marketing now. You've got to be building a new website, doing that e-commerce. You've got to be able to get found locally on local listings, and not just Google My Business, but other ones. There's over 200 different kinds of local listings you can get found on. Let's go back to the question, how does someone find you today? So we've talked about search engines. What about online maps? So Google Maps is a huge way to find a local business. Maps help people get directions and create routes and give users the best way to go from A to Z with high quality directions and real-time traffic updates. Google Maps helps people discover the world. Over like 100 million places can be discovered on Google Maps alone. And is your business one of them yet? And if it's not, no worries. You can always claim your business. I recommend, and I have a very biased recommendation for Google My Business, aka Google Maps, because it's one of the most widely used apps out there. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use Apple Maps. Think of how many iOS users that just download or just actually end up getting the newest and latest greatest iPhone X, whatever version is out there, and they have Apple Maps. They haven't even got to Google Maps yet. And all those people are looking to discover your place of business, discovering a whole new world. And they're doing it by, visiting destinations, visiting places by either walking there, cars, bicycles, transit, and they're getting directions to those places. So to get found more often, you've got to get on online maps as well. But that's not it. People also use digital ads. Digital ads, sometimes known as online advertising or paid ads or web advertising. It's creating these paid digital ads or banners and other forms of posts to appear in people's news feeds, also on social media and search engines. So you may have also clicked on one of these once in your lifetime. Probably a banner ad will appear at the very top of the page. Maybe it was a text ad. Maybe a tree fell in your backyard and you have to call someone for an emergency tree removal. So a lot of those service-based businesses use banner ads and they use text ads like that because they want to get found, because it's probably faster for them to get found. However, it comes with a cost. It may not be as good as content marketing, but you may have used digital ads to get found online. And last but not least is our local listings. Local listings. How do you find someone today? On a local listing. So if you have a business, and specifically it's an offline business that you're trying to get found, or that you want more people to find your local business, you've got to get a local listing. Local listings are found when users search for places to visit. For example, a bagel shop near me, and I want to find the closest bagel shop to the place I'm going. So with a local business information listing or a local listing profile, you can find the business name, you can call the business, you can find more information about the business, you can read descriptions of what they provide, menus, you can verify their business hours, check reviews, the good and the bad, and different kinds of other experiences as well. And you can also place reservations or bookings depending on if it's a restaurant or some sort of live event. So did you already know that? Well, I hope this provided some clarity. If you guys have any more comments or questions about how someone else can find you today, subscribe down below. Just click that bell notification button for more great videos like this. And hey, you got a question, ask me and I'll follow up with some answers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.